In this video, I want to show you how to find out what Bluetooth adapter you have in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So to find out, there is a very simple and easy method. So click on Start, then Settings. In here, click on Network and Internet. Click on Change Adapter Options. So here in the underneath Wi-Fi, you will see adapter name like this one. In my PC is adapter name. It's for Wi-Fi and also this is for name adapter for Bluetooth. So to check this one, click on Start and type Device Manager. So expand Bluetooth and you will see some Bluetooth adapters options. To find out the name, right click on your Bluetooth, so you will see this same name, manufacturer for Wi-Fi and this Bluetooth. So like this you can find out the name of Bluetooth adapter in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.